Sometimes when you're out and about, you need to access a spreadsheet, or you have a genius idea that you just need to record right then and there. You can open up your Google Sheets app on your device, and you'll see you have a whole list of all of your spreadsheets. You can sort them a few different ways. You can also look at it by grid view or list view, and then you just tap to open it. You can also create a brand new spreadsheet for that genius idea, either from a template or you can just create a new one. Then select the spreadsheet you want to edit. You can see all of your information in the sheet. If you want to sort one of the columns, tap on the letter of the column and then tap one more time, and a menu will open. Click on the right arrow until you see Sort A to Z, or you can sort in reverse alphabetical, and it will sort the entire spreadsheet based on that column. You can also create filters within the Sheets app. Click on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and you'll see the option in the middle to create a filter. Once you're in there, you can add the filter or create the filter either by clicking on the filter icon on the title column or in the bottom right-hand corner. And you'll see your filter options, either A to Z, Z to A to sort it. You can also choose to select all, clear, and select specific items, or you can look at the filter conditions. And if you scroll, you'll see that there's all your typical filters, or you can add a custom formula. To turn off the filter and go back to your full spreadsheet, click the three dots again, and you'll see it now says Remove Filter. Sometimes you want to freeze a column or freeze a row so that when you scroll, you can still see the information in that column or row. We'll look at column A. So tap the top of column A, tap that again, and it'll open the menu again. Go to the right, and it'll say Freeze Column. Click on Freeze Column, and it will freeze that column, and then you can scroll without losing the information in that column. You can find some basic text editing information as well as cell formatting by clicking on the A at the top of the screen. You'll see your basic cell formatting options for the text. You can choose to center, adjust the vertical, justification. For the cell, you'll find items like wrap text, merge cells, and number format. You can also change the fill color of a cell. By clicking on a color, you get a few different options. Clicking on the main part of the spreadsheet will close that menu. You'll see there's also some items down at the bottom, which are just shortcuts for some of the more commonly used formatting items. If you click on the plus sign at the top of the screen, you'll see that you can insert some of the basic items that you would normally use in a Google Sheet. You can add a comment, a chart, an image, and this is also where you can insert columns and rows. You may have also noticed some of those functions are in the menu when you click and then click again. On the column, you'll see you've got your copy and paste, clear. You can delete columns. You can also insert columns left and right. You can hide and unhide columns from this as well.